Have you ever felt your muscles ache after just a few steps? That nagging soreness and stiffness that seems to linger longer than it used to? If you're over 60, you're not alone. Many of us notice that our muscles don't bounce back as quickly as they once did. Simple movements can leave you feeling tired, achy, or even frustrated. But here's the surprising truth. There are ways to reduce that discomfort and help your muscles recover faster, and some of the easiest methods involve just what you drink. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle protein, blood flow slows down, and low-level inflammation can make recovery more difficult. These changes mean that even a light walk or gentle exercise can leave your muscles sore for days. But understanding this process is the first step toward taking control. The good news is that small, simple adjustments, like including the right beverages in your daily routine, can make a noticeable difference in how your muscles feel and recover. Before we dive into the first drink, here's a quick reminder. If you want to learn easy ways to speed up muscle recovery, go ahead and hit the like button. And don't forget to share these tips with a friend or family member who might benefit from a little extra muscle support. Now, let's explore 5 easy drinks that can help keep your muscles strong, reduce soreness, and speed up recovery without complicated recipes or expensive supplements. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple, practical plan to support your muscles every day. One of the simplest and most effective ways to help your muscles recover is by adding protein to your daily routine. Protein is like the building blocks for your muscles. It repairs tiny tears, strengthens fibers, and helps reduce soreness after activity. After 60, our bodies naturally produce less muscle protein, which is why recovery can take longer. That's where a quick, easy protein shake can make a big difference. Making a protein smoothie doesn't have to be complicated. A simple recipe could be 1 banana, a cup of almond milk, and a scoop of whey protein. Blend it all together, and you have a creamy, delicious drink that delivers the nutrients your muscles need. For an extra boost, you can add a teaspoon of chia seeds or a handful of berries. These not only add flavor but also bring in antioxidants and fiber, helping your body absorb protein more effectively. Drinking a protein smoothie within an hour after exercise is ideal, but even having one as part of your breakfast or an afternoon snack can help support ongoing muscle repair throughout the day. The best part is, it's easy to digest, soft on your stomach, and suitable for people with varying energy levels or limited appetite. Let's look at a real-life example. Mary, 72, started having a simple protein smoothie every morning after her walk. Within a few weeks, she noticed her muscles felt less stiff, and she had more energy to move around during the day. She didn't need expensive supplements or complicated routines, just a small, consistent habit that worked with her lifestyle. Think of protein like bricks in a wall. After a day of walking or light exercise, those bricks get a little worn. The smoothie helps rebuild them quickly, keeping your muscle wall strong and resilient. Now that you understand the power of protein, let's move on to a natural anti-inflammatory option. The next drink is something many people already have in their kitchen, truly simple, yet highly effective for reducing soreness and easing discomfort: ginger tea. Another powerful and natural way to reduce muscle soreness is ginger tea. Ginger has been used for centuries for its anti-inflammatory properties, and modern research confirms that it can help reduce muscle pain and stiffness. For anyone over 60, even light physical activity can cause mild inflammation in muscles, making recovery slower. Drinking ginger tea regularly can calm that inflammation and make your muscles feel more comfortable. Making ginger tea is simple. Just slice a few pieces of fresh ginger, add them to hot water, and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. You can add a little honey or lemon to taste. That's it, no complicated ingredients, no special equipment. The warmth of the tea also helps increase blood circulation, which delivers nutrients to your muscles faster, supporting recovery. Let's consider a real-life example. Mary, 72, whom we met earlier, added a cup of ginger tea to her morning routine. She noticed that after a few weeks, her muscles felt less stiff after her walks, and the soreness that used to linger for days diminished significantly. It's amazing how something so simple can make such a difference. Ginger works at the cellular level to reduce substances that trigger inflammation. Think of it like a gentle cooling balm on your muscles from the inside out. Unlike some medications, it doesn't cause side effects, and it's easy to include in your daily routine. You can enjoy it in the morning, in the evening, or even after light exercise. For added benefit, pair ginger tea with a light snack that contains protein. This combination can enhance muscle repair while also soothing inflammation. Even a small habit like this, repeated consistently, can lead to noticeable improvements in muscle comfort and overall mobility. Now that we've explored the anti-inflammatory power of ginger tea, it's time to move on to the next drink, one that harnesses antioxidants to reduce muscle pain and speed up recovery. This next choice might surprise you, and it's something you can enjoy even if you don't exercise every day: tart cherry juice. Another fantastic drink that can support muscle recovery is tart cherry juice. Tart cherries are rich in antioxidants called anthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation and muscle soreness after activity. For people over 60, these natural compounds can make a noticeable difference, especially after light exercise, gardening, or even daily walking. One of the reasons tart cherry juice works so well is that it targets oxidative stress in the muscles. Think of oxidative stress as tiny sparks in your muscle cells that can cause fatigue and discomfort. The antioxidants in tart cherries help put out those sparks, allowing your muscles to recover more efficiently and reducing the lingering soreness that can make daily activities uncomfortable. Using tart cherry juice is simple. You can drink a small glass, about 6 to 8 ounces, once or twice a day. Some people prefer it right after exercise, while others enjoy it in the morning or with a snack. The key is consistency. Even moderate amounts, taken regularly, can help your muscles feel stronger and less stiff. Let's take a practical example. John, 68, started drinking tart cherry juice after his weekly walk. Within a few weeks, he noticed that the tightness and soreness in his legs decreased, and he felt more energized during the day. He didn't need fancy supplements, just a natural, easy-to-drink beverage that fits seamlessly into his routine. Tart cherry juice also pairs well with other recovery strategies. For instance, combining it with a protein-rich snack or smoothie can amplify its benefits, supporting both repair and inflammation control. This combination is perfect for seniors who want gentle, effective ways to support their muscles without adding stress or complicated routines. One tip to keep in mind: choose tart cherry juice without added sugar whenever possible. Natural tart cherry juice provides the antioxidants and nutrients your muscles need without unnecessary extra calories. Small adjustments like this, repeated daily, can make a big difference over time. Now that you've discovered the antioxidant power of tart cherry juice, the next drink focuses on hydration and electrolytes, another essential element for muscle recovery after 60. This next choice is refreshing, natural, and easy to include in your daily routine: coconut water. Staying properly hydrated is essential for muscle recovery, and one of the best natural drinks for this purpose is coconut water. Coconut water is packed with electrolytes like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which help your muscles contract and relax smoothly. After 60, maintaining proper hydration and electrolyte balance becomes even more important, because dehydration or mineral imbalance can make muscles feel stiff, crampy, or sore. Coconut water is incredibly easy to include in your daily routine. You can drink a glass after a morning walk, following light exercise, or even as a refreshing mid-afternoon beverage. Its natural sweetness makes it pleasant to drink without added sugar, and it's light on the stomach, which is perfect for older adults who may have digestive sensitivities. Let's take an example. Susan, 70, started drinking a glass of fresh coconut water after her gentle morning stretches. She noticed that her legs and arms felt less tight throughout the day, and she experienced fewer cramps during her evening walk. The difference wasn't dramatic overnight, but with a simple daily habit, her muscles stayed more flexible and comfortable. Coconut water works by replenishing electrolytes lost through sweat and daily activity. Think of electrolytes as the spark plugs that help your muscles fire correctly. Without them, your muscles can feel sluggish or painful. By sipping coconut water consistently, you're helping your muscles maintain smooth movement and faster recovery. For added benefit, you can combine coconut water with a protein snack or a smoothie. This combination not only keeps you hydrated but also supports muscle repair and overall recovery. Even small, simple habits like this, repeated daily, can have a significant impact over time. One tip: choose fresh or pure coconut water whenever possible. Avoid brands with added sugars or artificial flavors to get the full benefits for your muscles. Incorporating this natural, hydrating drink into your daily routine is an easy and delicious way to support muscle recovery after 60. Now that we've covered hydration and electrolytes, it's time to explore our final drink. This one is a cozy, warming choice that helps reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and make your muscles feel soft and relaxed by morning: golden turmeric milk. The final drink on our list is a cozy, warming option that many seniors find incredibly soothing: golden turmeric milk. Turmeric contains a natural compound called curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it perfect for easing muscle stiffness, reducing pain, and supporting overall recovery after activity. For people over 60, a cup of golden milk in the evening can help muscles feel soft and relaxed by morning. Making golden turmeric milk is simple and comforting. Heat a cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, then stir in a teaspoon of turmeric powder. For extra flavor, you can add a pinch of cinnamon, a little black pepper to enhance absorption, and a touch of honey if you like it sweet. That's it, a warm, soothing drink that fits perfectly into your evening routine. Here's an example from real life. John, 68, who enjoys a light walk every evening, started drinking golden turmeric milk before bed. He noticed that his morning stiffness was much reduced, and he felt more comfortable moving around. The effect was subtle at first, but with consistent use a few times per week, his muscles recovered faster and felt more pliable. Turmeric works by calming inflammation at the cellular level and improving circulation. Think of it as a gentle massage from the inside out. Unlike some pain medications, it's natural, easy to digest, and free from side effects. Drinking it regularly can complement the other recovery strategies we've discussed: protein smoothies, ginger tea, tart cherry juice, and coconut water, creating a full, supportive routine for muscle recovery after 60. For best results, try to make it part of your nightly ritual. Even just 2 to 3 times per week can help your muscles stay supple and reduce discomfort. Combine it with light stretching or gentle movement, and you're giving your muscles the perfect environment to repair and rejuvenate. With these 5 drinks, protein smoothies, ginger tea, tart cherry juice, coconut water, and golden turmeric milk, you now have a complete, practical toolkit to reduce soreness, support recovery, and keep your muscles strong as you age. These small, simple habits can make a big difference over time, helping you feel more energized, flexible, and ready to enjoy daily activities without pain. Now that we've explored all 5 drinks, let's quickly recap. Each of these beverages, protein smoothies, ginger tea, tart cherry juice, coconut water, and golden turmeric milk, offers unique benefits that support muscle recovery after 60. Protein smoothies help repair and strengthen your muscles. Ginger tea soothes inflammation and reduces soreness. Tart cherry juice delivers antioxidants to calm oxidative stress. Coconut water replenishes electrolytes and keeps muscles hydrated. And golden turmeric milk gently eases stiffness and supports circulation, preparing your muscles for the day ahead. The great thing about these drinks is that they're all natural, easy to prepare, and can fit seamlessly into your daily routine. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated strategies, just small, consistent habits that nourish your muscles and help them recover faster. If you found these tips helpful, take a moment to hit the like button and share this video with friends or family who might also benefit from faster, easier muscle recovery. And if you want more simple, practical strategies to stay strong and active after 60, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Remember, supporting your muscles doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few easy drinks each day, you can reduce soreness, boost recovery, and feel stronger, more energized, and ready to enjoy life to the fullest. Start with one drink today and gradually incorporate the others. It's a small step that can make a big difference over time. Your muscles deserve care, and now you have the tools to give them exactly that. Cheers to feeling stronger, moving more comfortably, and enjoying every day with vitality.